Hello, boys and girls, welcome. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional, not of today's newspaper, because today's newspaper is on Monday, September the 20th, 20th, September the 20th, 2021. And today in the daily newspaper we have only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. There's no additional or extra Sudokus in today's newspaper. So I've decided to continue with the edition of Thursday. Thursday, not last Thursday, but Thursday, September the 9th, 2021. Two puzzles left, binary puzzle and a tectonic one. But first, I will solve this little baby for you, and this will be number 3421. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, oh, here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then, let me see. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Here we have 3 O's in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. All right. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Then. Here cannot be a 1, otherwise we have 4 ones. And here we have 3 O's in a row. Not allow, one of the rules, so this should be an O. All right. Okay. And now, let me see. I think we need to compare. Yeah. Let me do this. Alright. 101. Yeah, the first row and the fourth row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. Here we have a 1. This should be an O. Here we have an O. This should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Compare again. Yeah, what do we have for 101 here? No. So I cannot compare the columns, so we need to compare the rows. Do we have a 101 here? 1001. 01. Do we have a 01 here? Here. No. Difficult. Between two O's comes in one. Double one here, no, there, no. Four O's we have, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes in. Oh, finish in 5 minutes. Wow. Overlook these two O's. But I've solved this. And I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.